Unlock your creative superpowers and effortlessly craft stunning AI imagery with Gemini Nano Banana. Today, we're diving deep into how to harness the incredible power of the Gemini Nano Banana AI image generator. Forget complex prompts. Nano Banana makes image creation an intuitive and exciting process. Let's get started by opening a new project. This is where your artistic journey begins within Nano Banana. You'll notice a clean and user-friendly interface designed for immediate creativity. The heart of Nano Banana lies in its intelligent prompt system instead of lengthy commands. Think of descriptive phrases and concepts, for example. Let's try a whimsical forest with glowing mushrooms and a friendly fox. As you can see, Nano Banana takes your ideas and transforms them into beautiful visuals in seconds. It's like having a personal AI artist at your fingertips, exploring different interpretations of your request. But Nano Banana isn't just about basic generation. Explore the diverse style options to truly tailor your artwork. Want a photorealistic scene? Or perhaps a dreamy, painterly aesthetic? Nano Banana offers a spectrum of artistic styles to choose from. See something you like but want a few tweaks? Nano Banana allows you to generate further variations of a selected image, offering subtle improvements or entirely new perspectives until you achieve perfection. Once you've created your masterpiece, saving and exporting is a breeze. High quality outputs ensure your AI-driven artwork is ready for any project, from social media to professional presentations. So dive in, experiment with your imagination, and let Gemini Nano Banana empower you to create visually stunning and truly unique AI-driven artwork. Get ready to be amazed by what you can create.